So I'm gonna do like this chicken bacon ranch bake. My sister called it white people casserole. She kind of right. But anyway, so I diced up 4 potatoes, and I'm gonna go ahead and put a little oil and season them and put them in the oven so that they can cook before I combine our crap on top. So these potatoes ain't seasoned with nothing but a little oil, salt, pepper, and Tony's no salt seasoning. That's it. That's pretty light seasoning, but we'll re-season it again once we get the chicken and broccoli and bacon and all that stuff out on top. So the oven is preset to 400. I'm gonna put these potatoes in there probably about 20 or 30 minutes just so that they can start to get soft before we pile everything else on top. Now while those potatoes cook for a bit, I got these chicken tenders. I done pulled the little white things out. I'm gonna go ahead and put them up into little chunks and then cook them. Again, we season everything all this together. So I'm just gonna put them up and cook them. So I went ahead and put this chicken in a skillet of hot oil, and I'm gonna let it cook completely. I think I'm gonna put a little seasoning on it just because it's weird not to. So let me go ahead and garlic parmesan, and of course that weird canned chicken because I like it on all chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and add this broccoli in. Probably too much. And some ranch. Then I'm gonna season it. Oh, so it was the same stuff I had earlier: salt, pepper, and Tony's no salt. Nothing major. So I made this cheese sauce. This is just Velveeta cheese and a little heavy cream that I melted the Velveeta cheese down with. I just gotta have that texture. And the shredded cheese is on the chicken and some bacon to the top of this. I'm gonna pour the rest of this cheese sauce and some shredded cheese on here and put it in the oven. We'll see how it turns out. So I'm gonna put this in the oven on 400. Cover for 20 minutes and then uncover for about 10 or 15 minutes. Just so that the cheese can get melted in. Y'all know how we want it to look, right? I'm gonna go ahead and take that out the oven and show y'all what it looks like. Fingers crossed on this one, y'all, because it's my first time. So a lot of stuff that I cook, I don't eat. I usually cook things for my husband and my son. But this, because it's the first time, and it kind of looks good. Okay. Let's not tell my sister. This white people casserole turned out good. Oh yeah, it's real good, y'all. For my African Americans, if this white casserole, then we gonna go ahead and try this. We're gonna take this one over.